recording, Fred.
Is it recording?
Where's your bug bite? I don't see it.
Right.
Where's that bug bite? Is that over there?
Safety shoes.
That's a big scab there.
Got my safety shoes on.
Yeah, they don't like your safety. They don't know who Fred is anymore. He's too old. Okay, just keep shutting off at Fred because you don't know how to videotape anymore.
I don't know.
So we're going to put it over here now and see if Fred can screw it up again. So we're turning the plate down. I took the hub out. I can't really move it any deeper, but I can make thinner plates. So I'm cutting down Sportster plates to work in the Big Twin.
Brand new Sportster plates.
They were brand new until I butchered them. So we got to cut them down that same 575. What was that size, Fred?
575.
5.575.
5.575.
Yeah, and to the lowest 5.555 is our low number. But you got to be under 5.6 because 6 is inside the basket over there, 605.
Right.
And right now
I understand all that, absolutely.
we're getting there.
They're too wide. The diameter is too big.
The cutter ain't happy. We switched cutters, still ain't happy.
Well, it doesn't help that
We're at 650, Fred.
you got a big basket of crap to move around.
I spun on the bearing area, so I'm sure I won't hurt the bearing
Yeah.
pressing anymore. Should be fine. That's 40. I think 40 works just fine because 30 is too slow. And 60 is a little bit too much. Let's try 100.
Hey, 150. Oh, that's not too bad. Shaving.
And now it's good.
Shaving.
Now it's shadow starting.
That's
not chattering now.
That does not making any noise at all.
That chunky noise.
Chunky is the gaps between the.
All right, Fred. You happy?
You think you got it in far enough now?
It's pretty close. 5.9.
You got to get on the right spot.
Is that what it was?
Can't put it in the teeth there. That's not going to work for you.
We're about 580, I think, on the low spot. 5 or 10 would be fine. Let's feed it to tractor out and see what happens. 10 barrel. Think it's going to chatter?
Yeah.
I can try faster. It cuts like it's dull.
We're still on the teeth.
We're at 768.
I heard.
You mean I gotta get on the correct spot?
Yeah. Would be nice.
Why do you cut so much?
Well, when you start cutting into the...
It's all fives right there. I think we cut too much. It's 5, 5, 5, 5, 5.
I don't think if you start cutting into your part, then you definitely cut too much.
Well,
You
that
can
aluminum
tell.
plate got lightened up a little bit.
Yeah.
It definitely did some damage to the bearing surface. Low gear is pretty low, isn't it?
Yeah. Or any gear. That's better.
Back to low gear now.
All right, we're gonna relocate.
What happened there, Fred?
You have to show them. You can't see it from the camera.
Oh, I got groovy. My hand's getting hot too. Why's my hand getting hot?
Because you cut into that thing.
Fred, the tripod's in my way.
I'll flip it around.
Fred said this is going to work. I like the new cutting tool. It's pretty good.
It's nice you finally got away from the Goodwill broken tripod and got something decent.
Oh, that's the third tripod now, Fred.
Yep.
The other one gave up a while ago.
Yeah.
I got another one. It gave up.
Well, I guess the good news is they're pretty cheap, so.
So now we're on a third one. That one's not cheap.
Well, no. But don't.
That one's way expensive. That's $170, I think, retail. Tripod. I didn't pay that for it.
I suspect you didn't.
I did
somebody-
pay for it.
somebody-
It wasn't cheap though.
Somebody give it to you or what?
No, I paid for it. I don't remember what I paid for it. I don't remember exactly. I think about 80 or 90 bucks.
So. I
I
pull
like,
it.
I like the $5 one the best.
Well, I freaking brought 2 or 3 from Goodwill.
I only one of those two. I only kept one of those. Well, the other one, there's a single pod one over there.
Oh, and then there's the one that's
one.
got the funny legs to it.
Yeah, there's a baby one that you can't even
This one.
do anything with. And,
Look at this one. You still got this one.
yep, still got the crappy one that. That's the crap right in there. Oh, don't drop that. Fred, look what I found.
Found a plate that might fit.
Oh,
Will Rogers.
it appears that we overcut it a little bit. We overcut it a little bit. These are extra small now.
They
Yeah.
fit.
Got way too much on these, Fred. You should have measured them again. What do you do about the burrs?
Um,
The problem, you cut too much, look how thin it gets.
wow. Oh, that's not good. That could fail on you.
Yeah, we cut too much. That's 15 thou material there. This one looks thicker over here though. So these are special lightened version. Alright, I go over to the grinder and deburr these, which means I gotta make them thinner. These wouldn't break, would they?
You better be careful.
It'd be the first time I broke a clutch plate and track. Doesn't melt it. Yeah, a little bit, not much.
But don't put into that one area that loop area.
We're not making it weaker, are we?
Gonna suck if you have to cut a whole new plate.
I have to take the whole clutch basket apart to do that.
There's your file.
Actually, I got some new files over here.
Okay.
Back up.
Beep 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 beep.
These came from the Ultima. Remember that one? Where's the other one at? I guess this was the other one. Think these are still straight?
Well, you've been heating them up a bunch. They could be warped.
They're not hot. They got warmed up slightly, they're not hot. I'm still able to hold on to them.
Well, hot to you.
Well, I was holding. If it ain't burning my hands, it ain't warping either.
Hot to you is like you'd be smoking. Oh, that ain't hot. When you see smoke coming off his hands, like, oh, that might be too hot for you.
So you're saying the first degree doesn't count, second, third does?
Yeah, the second. It's only till when it hits third degree that it might be a little hot.
Yeah. It's getting there.
In case anybody's wondering,